Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download a video straight up from your Wix website. Okay, so before to be able to download a specific video from our Wix library or even website, we will need to allow sets of settings like setting the video as free of charge and then inspecting the elements of the video, or even going to the SEO settings just to get the link of the video itself and hit on download. But now things have changed, okay? And here under your Wix editor, go to the left panel. Let's say that you have uploaded your videos from here and you're wondering how to download it back, okay? Just click on media. Now, go ahead and click on upload media right here. Just click on it. Now close this pop-up. For example, this video right here, as you can see, we have 3 dots. Click on it. And here we have the download button. The other option is by just copying the URL. Copy. Open up a new tab on your browser. Paste the URL. Hit on enter. And here we have the video. Okay, just easily click on 3 dots and hit on download. Okay, you're gonna click on it and select the download folder. For example, this one is now available. The other option, click on 3 dots, hit on download, select the folder where you want to save it, click on save. Okay, that is basically how you do it. That is how you download a video from your Wix website. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.